Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely original 1972 BMW 2000 or Neue Klasse as they're known in Germany. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, so look around this beautifully original 1972, so one of the last ones, BMW Neue Klasse 2000. Quite a rare car these, especially in the UK in original UK right-hand drive form. And this one's an absolute time warp in that it's totally original and has a nice low mileage on it, somewhere in the 40s I think from memory. And it has apparently been in one family ownership from new. Finished in grey with blue cloth interior. Let's take a slow walk around it. Previous owner has fitted new tyres on it recently, and there's certainly Yokohamas on this side. It's also got a stainless exhaust, but aside from that, it's about as original as you find. Don't think it's ever been repainted, so there might be one or two minor chips on it here and there, but overall she's damn good. Really is an absolute jewel. Right, let's get down to the nitty gritty, see what we can find around the front end. Obviously it's got two sets of mirrors on it, on the wing, on the top of the bonnet, and door mirrors as well, so at least you can see backwards. All pretty nice around the front end. The front bumper has got a couple of holes in it there and there. It's obviously had some additional lights on it at some point. Paint on the bonnet is pretty good. A couple of tiny marks just there by the mirror base. Looking down the near side, looks beautifully straight down there. Near side front wing, all looks very good indeed. Yeah, Yokohama tyre on there. Screen and screen rubber all look pretty good, as does the roof. Near side door. We've got a couple of flecks, like stone chips or a little bit of corrosion just coming through on the door skin, just in a couple of areas around here. And a little bit of paint loss just there on the back of the door. Inside, passenger door card is all nice. Original carpets, they're in good shape. Seats are in excellent order. I think the driver's one has had a small repair in the correct cloth just on the offside there. But dash is nice, the dash top isn't cracked. Headlining is all good. That's the original supplying dealer plate there. Near side door is all lovely as well. Again in the back, absolutely first class in there. Near side rear arch has got one or two little areas of paint loss just on the very edge of the arch just there, and a chip just under the bumper just there. But around the tail end, it's all very good indeed. The chrome's in good shape. Looking down the offside again, looks totally straight down there. Fuel filler's still got its labels and stuff in there. That's an insect, now flown off. Little chip just where that insect was sitting, actually, just there. Again, roof is nice. Offside rear door is all good down there. It is pretty much of a time warp, this, it really is. See the dash in there. Offside door, got a tiny blemish just there on the very back of the door, but otherwise she's all great. Offside front scuttle is all good. Offside front wheel and wing all good. That's a Yokohama there as well. That's not a Yokohama there, so possibly it's had 3 tyres on it. Anyway, inside here, again, dash, door card, all, yeah, just about, well, just turned over 46,000 miles, so we'll say it's done 47. And yes, this seat has been repaired at some point with the correct style cloth, so it's actually quite hard to spot. Mileage is warranted by the previous owner. But a super, super little car. I really like this. Hope you do too. There we go.